Okay, so we've come to a Ford Festiva. Basically the ignition's totally jammed, so what I do is I made this piece up here to put inside there, and then just using the hole saw with no grub screw, cut around, and what I'm doing is just chiseling off and taking this face cap because this is hardened. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that off, and then we're going to shim down both sides of the wafers and turn this barrel. Okay, so now we've got that piece off. So this is hardened, and basically where these two dots are, exactly where you want to drill. So we need to drill there, and we need to drill there, and we'll get it past. You can see just inside there, it's a couple of mil, and get it past there, and then we'll try and push the wafers down. So one of them is stuck, and I think it's at the end somewhere. So we're going to do that. Okay, so I've chiseled those away, I've drilled through, and I can now see the wafers inside there, and I can push them down now. Here's the steering lock bar just there, so I will have to need to push that up, and then I'll have to shim down all of these wafers just here, so you can see there's one just there, and we will go all the way to the bottom, and we'll put a screwdriver in there. You can see that's pretty much what I'll be doing. So I'll get a couple of bits of metal and we'll shim it past the shear line, and then we should be able to turn this, and then we'll pop the pin here once that's turned. Okay, so that worked. We've turned it to accessories now. So basically I just put a 6mm bit through there, went up, but now we can actually turn it. So there's no battery, we'll just pop that, put the new ignition in, and we should be good to go. Okay, so there we have it. So that should come straight out now. We'll push the pin down, pull that out.